What up, what up, what up, everybody? It's your girl, Sheila, with PromoSTK. That's PromoSTK. Yes, you guys. And we're eating good in the neighborhood. And we're coming to you with a tuna salad. It's a Sheila's creation because I put my own little twist to it. As you can see, I'm sitting down, I'm chilling. Sitting down for as long as I can, but sitting down and chilling. So what we're gonna do first is I had my husband boil 8 eggs. I cheated because I hadn't boiled them. I didn't have to boil them. So I'm not even gonna cook anything. Everything's already done. So I got 8 eggs in here. I also had him strain 8 cans of tuna. You can see that in there. So we're gonna have pretty much 1 egg per can of tuna. So we have 8 cans of the 2-ounce cans of tuna, and we have 8 boiled eggs. Now, I'm gonna, of course, take my masher, and I'm gonna mash these boiled eggs. You guys can see me over here. I'm gonna mash them really good. Now, I love an eggy tuna salad. So we're gonna get these all mashed up. Mashed up really good. Yes. And I find these metal mashers work way better than those plastic ones. Something about that stainless steel just works. My aunt Dora used to use a fork, and she'd sit down at the table and she'd get that fork and she go mashing away with that fork. I'm like, wow. So I've done that before too, but I decided to bang a little bit and use this handy dandy. So now, if you guys can see, the eggs are all mashed up. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take and cut up my onion. And I'm gonna cut this onion really fine. And I'm only gonna use half of the onion, you guys. And the half I'm gonna use is the one that does not have this at the end. See that? So we're gonna leave this over to the side, and I'm gonna cut up this one. Don't ask me why, but the stem being on there saves it longer. That's why you should always use the other end. So I'm gonna cut this onion up, and I'm gonna do it really fine, guys. And tuna, that's how you want it. You want it really fine. See that? And hopefully I won't cry. And that piece is a little thin, we'll throw that away. And make sure they're pretty small pieces. Okay. My husband, he really likes onions. I do too, to a point. Now my tuna, yeah, I can eat onion in my tuna. I'm also gonna put onion powder. In the beginning of the video, you'll see where I listed all the ingredients, so you'll know what all is in here, but I'll say it as I go. Just cut this onion on up. Again, this is just half of a medium-sized onion. So it doesn't really take that much to get that onion flavor, you guys. And I know I am missing one ingredient from the table. I just realized that, and that is my pimentos. So as soon as I get done cutting this up, I'm gonna grab that. So that's about the right size you want. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pimento out of the refrigerator. This right here, guys, is only like half of a jar, a little less than half of a jar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a new jar from out of my cabinet here. Get a new jar, because I know I'll need more than this. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour this over in my eggs. Just pour it over my eggs, like that, like so. That away. And then because what you wanna use, you wanna actually use a half. Hold on, you guys, gotta mess this up there. You wanna actually use a half, so we should lose a little more of that, since we already had some. And put that in the egg. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions over in the eggs. Make sure. Yes. Now I'm gonna do something else that I don't know if you guys do to your tuna or not, but I am going to cut this tomato and use the insides for my. It's a juicy tomato, you guys. These are the ones that when you buy in the grocery store, they still be on the vine. You'll see this thing is like juicy. Juicy, juicy. I'm just gonna let the juice go inside my bowl. So I want all that. I want all that. Like that. So this is pretty much what I want to see right here. I want to see this part of tomato. So I'm gonna do 2 of those. And I'm not being wasteful because I will use the outside, just not in what I'm getting ready to do right now. Okay. There we go. So I want the inside. I want all that goodness in the inside. Okay. Make sure get it all out of there. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do a little rough chop here. A little rough chop. And guess what I'm gonna do with this, you guys? I bet you don't know. Well, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna put this over in my eggs. Yes, I am. Put this over in my eggs. Move this out of the way, like this. Finish cutting this up somewhere. So what it boils down to is you're not going to have any of the skin in here. You are going to have just all the insides. And then, as you can see, I'm going to, all the juices of the tomato, just dump this in here. All that good. Okay. And then I'm going to take, I got 2 little cucumbers. That's all I need. And I'm gonna grate it. Cut the ends off here. You know, there's a lot of protein in these ends, so I'm actually eat those, you guys. I didn't know that. A lot of times you don't know stuff like that, but the ends are actually good for you. So I'm leaving the skins on too. So what I'm gonna do here, take them and grate them. See that, y'all? And I don't want to grate my finger. But yeah, that bigger piece, I'll eat it. These cucumbers are really cool and refreshing. It's also low in calories and it's considered a fruit. Yep, considered a fruit, you guys. That's all. That's all we need. Yeah, it's so good. So, what we'll do with this now, you guys. See that? I'm gonna put this in the same bowl. Same goodness. And then what I'm gonna do, like I said, I never measure anything, so get a little bit of this garlic, mixed garlic. Just a little bit in there. Probably about a tablespoon of that. And then on top of that, I'll put my garlic powder. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And then my onion powder. I always gonna put some paprika. I gotta get some more because I'm almost out. Some paprika for color. And then some cayenne pepper, because you know we gotta do a little heat. Little heat. How much heat you want. On top of that, I have my Texas Peak with my 2 times spicy. Woohoo! And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this hot sauce in there. Yeah. Okay. And then some black pepper. I may sneeze, you guys. I hope not. Yeah, black pepper. Ooh, coming on. I'm not gonna put any salt in here, but I'm gonna put lemon pepper. So I'm gonna add swings of lemon. Okay, now, ooh. Ooh, God bless me. Thank you. Thank you, husband. Okay. I knew that black pepper was gonna make me sneeze. Now, you guys, I have these 2 ingredients to add, which y'all probably waiting on. So I'm gonna put some mustard, a little mustard in here. Mustard, yeah. And then some good old mayonnaise. You guys, I had to stop by the store on my way home to get some more mayonnaise because I was low and I didn't want to run out. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mayonnaise. Look at this, you guys. I'm just gonna pop it in like this. That's 1 big scoop, and I normally do 2 of those, like so. All right. Then what we'll do with this, you guys look. Now I have not added the tuna yet, but everything else you saw go in here is in here. So I'm gonna mix this up real good. See that, you guys? Mix it up real good. You guys see that texture? You guys see that? See that texture? Yeah. Now, we're gonna add the tuna. Yes. We're gonna add the tuna. And again, you guys, this is 8 cans of tuna. 8 cans of tuna. 2-ounce tuna, the small cans. So, get all that good tuna in there. We don't want to miss all that good tuna. Okay, all gone from there. And then, let's see. Ooh. Now, you guys see that tuna in there? Now we're just gonna fold that tuna. Fold that tuna. Yes, fold that tuna. And guys, this is your Sheila's creation tuna salad. The next time you see us with this tuna, we're gonna be at the table eating it. So join us at PromoSTK. That's PROMOSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Yeah. Look at that, you guys. Look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna smooth that down like that. Got everything in here that needs to be in here. Yes. I love that bam, like bam, 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 bam. So we got everything in there. You guys see that? This is your Sheila's creation tuna salad. And then we'll serve it on a bed of romaine lettuce, that is. And I will sprinkle a little more of this paprika on top, only because I like that color. I like that color. There we go, I like that color. And there you have it, you guys. That is your tuna salad. I thank you guys for watching. Again, comment, subscribe to my channel, please. I look forward to you being a part of my family. We're doing this low to no carb, and it's awesome because I get to actually create and hold myself accountable to what goes in this body. Yes. So thank you. See you guys on the flip side when we're at the table eating. Thank you.